Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the M13 Morningstar in Call of Duty Mobile. This highly sought-after mythic weapon skin transforms the M13 assault rifle with stunning visual effects, reactive stages, and custom animations. It's a premium item that many players desire for its unique design and in-game presence, offering a distinct advantage in style and flair on the battlefield. The main way to acquire the M13 Morningstar is through its dedicated Mythic Draw, a special in-game event. This is a lucky draw system where you spend Call of Duty points, or CP, for a chance to win various items, including the Morningstar. Completing a full draw, which guarantees the weapon, typically costs a significant amount, often exceeding $150. If you missed the Morningstar previously, don't worry. Its Mythic Draw frequently returns as a rerun or redux event. Once acquired, the M13 Morningstar can be upgraded through 8 levels using Mythic cards. These upgrades unlock enhanced visual effects, unique muzzle flashes, and exclusive attachment skins, further customizing your weapon's appearance and performance. When aiming to get the M13 Morningstar, it's wise to save your Call of Duty points specifically for when its Mythic Draw is available. Be prepared for the potential cost, as completing the draw can be expensive. While rare, some regional versions of the game, like Garena, occasionally offer temporary trials or special events, so keep an eye out for any unique opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.